Cast.
Well, waking up to a soggy Saturday. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Here's what the radar satellite looks like. Overcast skies, off and on rain, mist and drizzle. And that's what it looks like at ground level atop Afton Mountain over I-64. Reduced visibility with low fog and clouds and mist, drizzle, and some more showers and gusty winds. You can't see it on this camera, but the winds have been huffing and puffing up to 50 miles per hour on those higher ridge tops along the Blue Ridge. So here's what I'm tracking for the weekend ahead with the leftovers, the remnants of Hurricane Ian and its impact over central Virginia and the Shenandoah Valley. Gusty winds this morning, less wind later on, showers and drizzle today. More widespread rain arrives tomorrow as the back edge of Ian moves on by. An additional ½ to an inch and a half of rain is likely. We can handle that, so flooding not a huge concern, and it will be definitely cooler than average for quite some time. Looking back at the peak wind gusts with the remnants of Ian, we've had 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts at the top of Wintergreen, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts from Charlottesville, Louisa, and into Buckingham County and Lake Monticello. When you get to about 40 miles per hour, that is tropical storm force wind gusts. In that first forecast for today, breezy conditions, downright windy through mid-morning, less wind later on from the northeast, and off and on rain, cloudy skies, temperatures about 20 degrees cooler than average for this time of the year. Now, the rain has been backing its way from the southeast to the northwest, out ahead of the circulation of what was Ian. So we expect more rain off and on today and tonight, but the most widespread swath of rain has pushed off to our north and northwest. Looking at the rainfall estimates, about an inch to an inch and a half or so, according to Doppler estimates, over a large part of Albemarle County into areas of Orange, Louisa, Buckingham. You've had a good soaking rain, a little less though to the south of the James River into Madison, Culpeper counties. You get the picture. About an inch to 2 inches locally, also for the Shenandoah Valley and into the Blue Ridge Mountains. Live radar coming back with some showers advancing from southeast to the northwest. Additional mostly light rainfall at this time. Wind advisory has been extended now through about 10 a.m. for central Virginia and also for the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Shenandoah Valley for wind gusts, perhaps up to 50 miles per hour, especially when these higher areas of showers head our way from the southeast with those wind alerts through about mid-morning. So keep that in mind, traveling over Afton Mountain and over Route 33. Definitely we're dealing with some gustier winds in that direction from the northeast. The big picture shows the center of low pressure with what was Ian over North Carolina. The most widespread rain is away from the center now, but it looks like later today and into tonight, additional showers are likely. More rain on Sunday, widespread swath of rain, and then the rain will exit now on Monday with a drying trend. Winds today will lessen. We'll have lighter winds tonight, and then the wind will pick back up tomorrow as the back edge of Ian begins to move off to the east. Additional inch and a half of rain is projected, and that should not cause high water issues. In fact, it's been beneficial. We've had a good amount of rain over the last couple of hours, really. It hasn't been so dry lately over the past couple of weeks. For today, in the 50s, showers and breezy. Tonight, more rainfall, lows in the 50s. We're stuck in the 50s tomorrow, breezy conditions with more rainy weather on the way with highs in the 50s. 7-day forecast, 60s on Monday and Tuesday, drying out. 70s on Wednesday, milder on Thursday. A dry cold front arrives on Thursday night with a drop in temperature, but not too bad. It looks to be dry for a large part of next week. So the good news is that the fall foliage has not been impacted by the wind, and it will begin to turn more with those pleasant sunny days and cool overnights.
All right, so it looks brisk at least for the next few days. I'm happy about those 70s rolling back in.
Yeah, good weekend to be indoors.
All righty. Well, thank you.